Still got another package in the mail, so I was really happy with the Holley EFI system so far. It seems like it's very user-friendly and has been plug and play for the most part. But probably the most frustrating part is that every connection seems like it needs you to buy another harness. So when you read through the instructions, it gives you all these lovely input-output options. And to use any of the input-output options, you more or less need to buy this, which is a harness that will plug into the end of one of the connectors on the EFI system. But this stupid little coil of wire is over $100. And it was the same story with the main power cable. If you buy the main harness for the ECU and you buy the ECU, somehow that doesn't get you a way to turn it on because you don't have the main power harness. So I would say if you're going to be looking at buying and getting into the Holley various EFI systems that they have, just be prepared that you're going to end up spending hundreds of dollars on all their various Holley specific connection kits.